Are you facing the Fall Guys error code 200_014? If so, don't worry, this video is here to help you troubleshoot this issue and get back to your game as soon as possible. Firstly, you should know that error code 200_014 usually appears when your system doesn't meet the minimum requirements needed to play Fall Guys. If your system does meet the requirements, there may be other factors at play. Let's dive into the possible solutions, shall we? Fix 1 is to check if your system meets the requirements for Fall Guys. The minimum system requirements are as follows: Windows 10 64-bit only, an Intel Core i5 or AMD equivalent processor, 8 GB of RAM, an NVIDIA GTX 660 or AMD Radeon HD 7950 graphics card, a broadband internet connection, and 2 GB of available storage space. You can check if your system meets these requirements by going to the System Information section of your computer. From there, you can find out if your OS, processor, memory space, and video card meet or exceed the game's requirements. The second fix is to switch to a dedicated GPU if your system has one. Some systems come with an integrated and a dedicated GPU. Make sure your system is running from the dedicated GPU. Thirdly, try reinstalling Epic Online Services. You can do this by accessing the Control Panel, choosing Program, going to Programs and Features, right-clicking on Epic Online Services, and choosing Uninstall. Don't forget to delete the Epic Online Services folder from your system. If the error still persists, the fourth fix is to repair the Epic Games Launcher. You can do this by pressing the Windows plus R key, typing in control-appwiz.pl, right-clicking on the Epic Games Launcher, and choosing Repair. Finally, if all else fails, you can contact Epic Games Support. They will be able to further investigate the error and provide you with the necessary help. In summary, to fix the Fall Guys error code 200_014, you can check if your system meets the game's requirements, switch to a dedicated GPU, reinstall Epic Online Services, repair the Epic Games Launcher, or contact Epic Games Support. Remember, every problem has a solution. It's all about finding the right one. Keep trying, and soon enough you'll be back in the game. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, and for more tech updates visit Quaries.com.